You really know how to make me cry when you give me those ocean eyes. I'm scared.